They can also learn from their competitors' successes and failures. To monitor their competitors, businesses should conduct regular market research and analysis. They should also attend industry events and conferences and follow their competitors on social media. This will help them stay up to date on industry trends and changes. Let's delve deeper into each of these 6 ways that businesses can increase their competitiveness in the marketplace. Focus on customer experience. In today's world, customers expect exceptional service and personalized experiences. Businesses that prioritize customer experience are more likely to retain customers and attract new ones. To improve customer experience, businesses can invest in customer service training, gather customer feedback, and personalize their interactions with customers. They can also use technology to enhance the customer experience, such as offering online chat support or creating a user-friendly website. Another way to improve customer experience is to create a seamless omni-channel experience. This means that customers should be able to interact with your business in the same way, regardless of the channel they choose. For example, if a customer starts an inquiry on social media, they should be able to continue the conversation via phone or email without having to start over. Leverage technology. Technology is a powerful tool that can help businesses improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance the customer experience. To leverage technology, businesses can use data analytics to gain insights into customer behavior and preferences. They can also use automation to streamline processes and reduce errors. Additionally, businesses can use social media and other digital platforms to reach new customers and build brand awareness. One of the most exciting technologies that businesses can use is artificial intelligence, AI. AI can help businesses automate tasks, personalize customer interactions, and gain insights into customer behavior. For example, a chatbot can be used to answer frequently asked questions or help customers make a purchase, freeing up customer service representatives to handle more complex inquiries. AI can also be used to analyze customer data and predict future behavior, allowing businesses to tailor their marketing and sales efforts to individual customers. Invest in innovation. Innovation is key to staying ahead of the competition. By investing in research and development, businesses can create new products and services that meet the changing needs of customers. They can also improve existing products and services to make them more competitive in the market. To foster innovation, businesses can create a culture of experimentation and encourage employees to think outside the box. They can also collaborate with other companies, universities, and research institutions to share knowledge and resources. Additionally, businesses can invest in startups that are developing innovative technologies or products that can complement their existing offerings. Build strong partnerships. Building strong partnerships with suppliers, distributors, and other stakeholders can help businesses gain a competitive edge. By working together, businesses can reduce costs, improve efficiency, and access new markets. To build strong partnerships, businesses should focus on building trust and mutual respect.